All right, what I've decided to do over the next few weeks until we get back is we are going to do some cumulative reviews of past chapters, hitting on what I think are the most important points for you guys moving forward, to make sure that you know. So first thing we're going to do is chapter 1 and 2. First thing, what I think is the most important, is determining gross pay based on an hourly rate, given or not given overtime hours. So at the top here, I'm going to keep this here. We got our formula, which is also in your cheat sheet with an example. But if you don't know how to use the example, I hope you watch this video. So let's start for regular pay. If the scenario is, let's see here, if you work you get paid $8.95 an hour. So this is our rate. And you work 40 hours. Regular time. And you work 10 hours overtime. So with your quiz assignments, this may be stated as 50 hours a week. So remember, first 40 is regular, anything more, overtime. It will be the same for every single question you have. All right, so if we work 40 hours regular time, so we're gonna start with this up here. So we're gonna go step 1, regular hours. We're gonna go 40 hours times our rate. So $8.95 . Bring up the calculator there. So you got 40 times 8.95. So we earn a regular gross pay of $358. Second, we have overtime hours. So again, your quizzes are going to state, you make $10 an hour and you work 50 hours this week. You're going to have to break out the 50 into your regular hours or normal hours, which is 40. And then anything above 40 will be your overtime. So if this said 45, you'd have 5 hours overtime. Said 42, you'd have 2 hours overtime. Said 60, you would have 20 hours overtime. So let's go back here. So our overtime, we're going to take the hours, which is 10, times our rate, which is $8.95, times 1.5. So this will be our overtime multiple. I'm just going to put an X there. I will not have on your quiz any double time, triple time. All of it will be 1.5. So now let's open this up. 8.95 times 10 times 1.5. So overtime, you earn $134.25. We're going to add these together, which is our step 3. We get $492.25. So this will be your total gross pay. So let's break this out a little here. Now, if this was your weekly pay, some questions I have on your quiz are, how much per month or per year would you make for gross wages? So if we are going to go from weekly to monthly, okay, we will take our $492.25 times 4. Okay, so there's roughly 4 weeks in every month. So we do that times 4, it's $19.69. However, I believe all of your questions, for purposes of consistency and ease with our online procedure, we are actually going to be going from weekly to yearly. Now remember, there are 52 weeks in a year. So we're going to take, in this example, $492.25 times 52. Multiply those out. 492. And for the year, you will have earned $25,597. Okay, so this is your yearly gross wages. Okay, further example, we'll do one more. For this question, I'm going to give you the days of the week. Our rate is $13.76. I'll do this right here so we can still see our formulas. So Monday, we have 8 hours. Tuesday, 8.75. Wednesday, 9. Thursday, 10. And Friday, we'll say 10. First step we need to do is find out how many hours this week we worked. So when we add these up, we get 20, 29. This is 16.75. So we get 0.75. 9 and 6 is 15. 45.75 hours in a week. Now remember, anything over 40, we get the overtime rate, which in this case we do. We have, this is our, if we subtract 40 for our regular hours, we come up with 5.75 overtime hours. All we need to do now is plug in our numbers to the formula above. So I'm going to start over on the side here. So first, we worked more than 40 hours. So step 1, for a regular pay, we will take 40 times our rate, 13.76. 40 times 13.76 equals $550.40. Now, we worked more than 40 hours, so we got to figure out our overtime. Overtime, anything over 40, which we determined to be 5.75, times our rate. So we get paid $13.76 an hour times our multiple. Remember, our multiple will always be 1.5 for all your assignments. Okay, so let's clear this. we have 13.76 times 5.75 times 1.5. So our overtime earnings, $118.68. We'll add these two together. And for the week, we get $669.08. Okay. If I asked how much were your gross wages for the year, we'll take our 669 times 52. We'll come up with gross earnings of $34,792.16. All right, that should cover all your quiz questions. Again, there's a cheat sheet on there linked as well. I have all the confidence in the world you guys will do just fine with this. Next video will be on net pay.